Federal High Court in Abuja has ordered the Ebonyi State Governor David Umahi and his deputy Ekwo to vacate their seats as the sitting governor and deputy, respectively. The judgment is based on the grounds that the People's Democratic Party won the election in March 2019 and not its candidate. Justice Inyang Ekwo says, having defected to the All Progressives Congress, Governor Umahi and his deputy cannot transfer the mandate of the PDP to the APC. Celestina Area reports.
Citing Section 221 of the Constitution, Justice Inyang Ekwo ordered the People's Democratic Party to immediately send names of replacements for Governor of Ebonyi State and his deputy to INEC so as to conduct fresh elections. Justice Ekwo held, having defected to the APC, Governor David Umahi and his deputy Ekwo cannot transfer the mandate of the PDP to the APC. The court also ordered INEC to cease from recognizing David Umahi and Ekwo as the governor and deputy governor of Ebonyi State. The court declared that defection unlawful, unconstitutional, null and void, and ordered them to immediately vacate their offices. In same vein, delivering judgment in a suit by the People's Democratic Party, the court ordered the Speaker of the House of Assembly and his co-defectors to immediately stop holding themselves as members of the Ebonyi State House of Assembly. The judge held that the votes that brought them to office belong to the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and that the legislators cannot hold on to the vote, having elected to defect from the party that nominated them. Justice Ekwo also held that the votes cast for the PDP in the 2019 elections are not transferable to the APC that failed in the election. He restrained INEC from recognizing or according any recognition to them as elected members of the House of Assembly.
The Supreme Court has ruled and said there is no provision against the defection of the president, vice president, governor, or deputy governor. So, is the court making a judgment different from that of the Supreme Court? It is obvious.
Ministry of Justice. I say so because the Federal High Court here did rely on the provisions in the Electoral Act that relate to pre-election and election matters. Even citing the case of Amechi shows that this is a clear case of an error in law. Like the council has said, we're going to challenge this in the Court of Appeal.
Justice Ekwo ordered that all monies collected from the top period of a defection to the judgment date must be recovered from them. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.